This is Bailey. He's a 3-day-old lamb. Good lamb baby. He's a lamb baby. It's lambing season, and he's just been born. And this is Bailey. He's a 3-day-old lamb. Right, ready? Because he didn't get his mother's milk. His poor mother rejected him. What a bitch. So we're gonna give him lovely milk. Good girl. Gluck, 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 gluck. He's gonna be he's sheared like a sheep, but he's still a baby now. We give him some more milk because he's still a baby. Gluck, 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 gluck. There you go. Would you like some milk? Gluck, 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 gluck. No, you can't. You're not a lamb, but you can have some. Glug, 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 glug. We're gonna share his soon.